If you want to stop wasting your time, start by watching this video to the end. Most people don't waste time because they're lazy. They waste time because they don't know where to start. It's not a motivation problem. It's a clarity problem. And that's way harder to admit. Because if you're just lazy, at least that's something you can joke about. But if your mind is holding back because the next step is foggy, that's scarier. Think about this. You've got 30 minutes before your next meeting, or an hour before you have to leave for something. You could move. You could start something that matters. But you don't. Instead, you scroll, you zone out. You say, I'll do it later. But later never comes, because the fear never leaves. Your brain whispers, there's not enough time. You won't finish anyway. What if you mess it up? And so you don't move. Not because you don't care, but because doing nothing feels safer than doing something imperfectly. That's not laziness. That's the fear of the unknown. And here's the truth nobody likes to hear. The more you wait for clarity, the less of it you'll have. You don't get clarity by sitting still. You get it by starting. Even when the plan isn't perfect. Especially when it's not. Clarity doesn't come before action. It comes from action. You write the first sentence, then the second one shows up. You take the first step, and the path begins to reveal itself. So next time you feel that moment, that window of time you usually waste, pause, then do one thing, just one. Open the draft, hit record, clean the desk, do 5 push-ups, send the text. Whatever it is, make it real. Because your time isn't the problem. Your fear is. And clarity is what fear steals. But here's the good news. Every time you act through that fear, even in a small way, you take your time back. You stop watching your life happen and start directing it. So the challenge is simple. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for perfect. Start before you're ready. That's how you turn minutes into momentum. And momentum into progress. And progress into something real. You're still here. That means something clicked. Hit subscribe. Next video, we go deeper.